Welcome back everyone. Just take a look at this table. This was 6 weeks of experimenting. All of the stains cannot be removed, and until we are going to repaint this table or get a stainless steel plate for the surface here, we are simply going to wrap it up in aluminium foil to make it look good again. Here we have aluminium foil. Yeah, we will put the shiny side on top. It will be a little harder to roll it out, but I'll do it this way and then turn the aluminium foil around. Easy. We should probably have done this straight from the beginning, so the table wouldn't have dirt on it anyway, but we haven't done it, and therefore this should do the job from now on. There you go. A nice and somewhat clean table. I wish all of you a nice day. Until next time. Bye.